Dear students, today I am teaching social science and I am going to explain about chapter 8, Grasslands of the Temperate Zone. Grasslands, you have to understand the name, lands full with grass, but not the small grasses, 4-5 feet long grasses, tall grasses. And the temperate zone you must have studied in chapter climate chapter already you have studied, so you can see the globe given, the map given in that chapter while studying this chapter. So now grasslands are huge lands, almost 1/5 part of the earth is covered with the grasslands, and they are present in the different continents. हमें पता है 7 continents है, but we discuss only about the 5 continents because the life is available only on 5 continents. Arctic circle, there is Arctic continent, there is no life. Antarctic, there are polar bears are there, but humans, animals, water, land, everything, vegetation, trees, everything present in the 5 continents. That is the Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, North America, South America. Fine. So these are the continents where that usually we studied about them. We usually study about them. So now almost in every continent the grasslands are present. In Russia also present, that is in Asia, Australia, Africa, 2 grasslands are there, and in North America and in the South America. Fine. So now let us discuss about it. But before that we will discuss about the temperate zone. Again I am just giving you the recap for temperate zone. Now the temperate zones. You see the globe, Earth given here. Earth is divided into 2 parts that you know by equator. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, that is the latitudes denoted by the N sign. And in the southern hemisphere, latitude degrees are denoted by the S, that is the south. Okay. So see the green areas above the equator and below the equator, between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Latitude 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north. That area is the temperate zone in northern hemisphere. Now in the southern hemisphere, the area between Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Again the same latitude but the south. 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. So these are the area called temperate zones. And the climate is moderate, means mild climate, neither very hot nor very cold. Okay. So the grassland is scattered around the world in these temperate zones. Now let us discuss about the grasslands. Vast stretches means area, vast stretches of land covered with tall grasses and few scattered trees, that I have already told you. They cover more than 1/5 of the Earth's land. ये भी मैंने बता दिया. Most of the grasslands are located in the temperate zone. The grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. Now let us see the names. Prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppes in Russia, veldt in South Africa, downs in Australia, savannas in Central Africa. Fine. So you have to learn these names. Now see the map. Grasslands of the world. In first map, you can see the dark green areas. These dark green areas represent the grassland on Earth. नॉर्थ अमेरिका में आपको ग्रीन पैच दिख रहा है, साउथ अमेरिका में दिख रहा है, अफ्रीका में दिख रहा है, अफ्रीका के सेंट्रल पार्ट में दिख रहा है और नीचे भी दिख रहा है. इन यूरोप, एशिया में पूरा फैला हुआ है ग्रीन पैचेज, एंड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया आल्सो. सो नाउ इन द सेकेंड मैप आई हैव गिवन द नेम प्रायरीज, पैम्पर्स, स्टेप्स, डाउनलैंड्स, वेल्ड. सवानाज का नाम इसमें नहीं है, दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द सेंट्रल अफ्रीका. फाइन. नाउ prairies, in this chapter we are going to discuss only about the prairies. Prairies, the center of North America. These prairies are actually, it covers the center of the North America. vast stretch of flat land, no mountains, nothing. So flat land covered miles and miles of grasses. मीलों मीलों तक, miles and miles में बहुत बहुत दूर तक सिर्फ green grasses. And these grasses are green in summer, turns brown in autumn. Now summer and autumn, ये आपको पता करना है कि in which month they come. Summer तो आपको पता ही है मई जून में आता है, but autumn किस month में आता है, that you have to find out. So in summer these grasses are green and they turn brown in autumn. Hardly any tree present. दूर दूर तक कहीं पेड़ नहीं दिखेंगे, कहीं कहीं कद दिखेंगे. Soil is very fertile. Fertile means full of organic manure and very good for the agriculture, and it is due to the humus present in it. Humus, that is the last year आपने पढ़ा होगा soil chapter में. It is the top layer of the soil and very fertile, full of nutrients. Fine. And climate hot in summer, cold in winters, moderate rainfall in summer means ना तो बहुत ज्यादा बारिश ना तो बहुत कम बारिश. It is a moderate. Fine. So you can see the map also. The entire Central America, center of North America is covered with the grassland. Now earlier prairies were grazing grounds for millions of bison. Bison is the जंगली भैंसा बोलते हैं इसको. Fine. ये अमेरिका में पाया जाता था. अभी भी है very few, but once upon a time there was millions of bison and this grassland was actually the grazing ground. मतलब grazing मतलब घास चरने का, ठीक है, घास चरना is a grazing. तो grazing ground होता था millions of bison के लिए. But now most of the land has been cleared for agriculture. Now agriculture is required by the human beings. हम इंसानों के लिए we are the actually the main enemy of our earth. हमने अपने स्वार्थ के लिए नेचर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, completely destroyed. All the woods, that is the jungles, we destroyed. This grassland has been destroyed for the agriculture by the human being. And if now no grasses are present there, grazing ground is very less, so now the very few bisons can be seen now. Very little prairies remain today. Prairies जो grassland था ना बहुत कम बचा हुआ है, पूरा grassland को खत्म कर दिया human being ने. Okay. Now agriculture. It is the main occupation in your North America because soil is very fertile. Water is available in plenty from Mississippi and Missouri rivers and their tributaries. ठीक है, Missouri rivers and their tributaries, उससे बहुत सारे branches निकलते हैं, and the Mississippi. इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत पानी है. And the region produces so much wheat. This region produces so much wheat. गेहूं की खेती बहुत होती है. Wheat is the main production of this area and it is called wheat basket of the world. Means इतना wheat होता है यहाँ पे कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में सप्लाई करता है wheat को नॉर्थ अमेरिका. So it is also called the wheat basket of the world. The United States of America is the exporter of wheat in the world. इतना wheat होता है कि पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. That already I told you. Main crops are maize, barley, rye and oats. ये भी यहाँ पे होते हैं. Plowing and sowing, harvesting and threshing is done with the help of machine. अब यहाँ पे जो हम देखते हैं कि हम हल चला रहे हैं, बहुत सारी difficulties हैं इंडिया में, that is for the agriculture. But in America, plowing मतलब खेत को जोतना, sowing मतलब बीज डालना, सीड्स डालना, हार्वेस्टिंग मतलब जब ये क्रॉप तैयार होता है तो उसको कटिंग करना, देन फ्रॉम क्रॉप टू गेट द ग्रेन्स, थ्रेशिंग इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द फार्मर्स आर यूरोपियन सेटलर्स. इट मीन्स द फार्मर्स who are living in that grassland area, they are from Europe. They came from Europe and they are European settlers. मतलब यूरोपियन से आके रहने वाले, यूरोप से आके रहने वाले. The population in the region is thin. बहुत कम लोग हैं यहाँ पे, ज़्यादा population dense नहीं है, कम है इस region में. Fine. And now you see the machines for harvesting, for threshing. Very means excellent machines are present there. Fine. So the harvesting is very, very easy. Now रेयरिंग कैटल इज द अनदर ऑक्यूपेशन. रेयरिंग कैटल मतलब एनिमल्स को पालना, जो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री जिसको कहते हैं, ये यहाँ का दूसरा ऑक्यूपेशन है. तो जिस एरिया में प्रायरीज, वेस्ट टू द प्रायरीज, वेस्ट अगर प्रायरीज के वेस्ट में जाएंगे, वेस्टर्न एरिया में क्या है, दीज आर लिटिल बिट हिली, मतलब पहाड़ हैं, हिली एरियाज, एंड सॉइल इज नॉट वेरी फर्टाइल. सो दिस एरियाज आर मेनली यूज टू रेयर कैटल इन लार्ज फार्म्स कॉल्ड रैंचेज. जो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री का काम जो होता है, जहाँ पे एनिमल्स को पाला जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रैंचेज. एंड कैटल्स आर रेज्ड फॉर बीफ एंड डेयरी प्रोडक्ट. मीन्स बीफ मतलब mutton of cow, and dairy products means for the milk. And cattle are sent to slaughterhouses in the cities for the production of beef. Means जो cattle को पालते हैं ना, then they send those cattle to the slaughterhouse. Slaughter means जानवर को काटना, okay, not मारना. मारना एंड काटना में फर्क है. तो स्लॉटर हाउस में जानवर को रेयर कैटल्स को काटा जाता है, फिर इसके बाद इसके मतलब इसके मटन को पैक करके मार्केट में बेचा जाता है. द सिटी ऑफ शिकागो इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेंटर फॉर slaughtering animals. Chicago is the main city. You might have heard this name. The city of Chicago is an important center for slaughtering animals. Ranches and slaughterhouses are equipped with modern machinery. इसमें ranches जहाँ पे animals को रखते हैं, वो भी modern machinery से भरा हुआ रहता है. They are very very well developed in rearing cattle for agriculture. This country is well developed. Now new words are there: vast, stretches, scatter, moderate, Mississippi, Missouri, exporter, plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, settlers, ranch, slaughter, prairies, pampas, steppes, veldt. So now you have to learn these words, write down these words in your copy. I have completed this chapter. It is a very small chapter, so I have completed today. Now I will send you the question answer also by the time you go through this video again and again and learn it properly. Okay? Thank you.